second down incompletion. Oh, it's a fumble.
Oh, it's a fumble. Pick it up and go, big fella. And it's gonna be gone. Yo, what's up, yo? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. And today we got another episode of the Kentucky Dynasty in College Football 27. And yeah, to start off the season, we are ranked 7, as you can see here. And yeah, I changed my setup a little bit, so that's probably why you see this angle. Like, I'm really facing my window right now, so yeah. It probably looks a little bit weird, but I'll get used to it. But if y'all like it, comment down below. And yeah, I moved all of this by myself, by the way. So, just pointing that out. Tell me, blood, sweat, and tears. No blood, no sweat, no tears. But I got it done. But anyway, let's get into it. But let's go into our custom schedules real quick. Ball State, Toledo. Do you want to change these 2 games? Arizona State. See where we can change it to. Do you want to change it to an easier team? Into the Kodiaks, to be honest. And yeah, this is our schedule. We got a lot of games that we can bounce back from, like the South Carolina Texas A&M game. I mean, not South Carolina, Texas A&M and Oklahoma. We're 90 overall too. We're at 89 on offense. Hold on, let me see that. I mean 89 defense. I thought it was 88. Anyway, let's get into it. Yes, I wanna advance this week. And yeah, we got Julian Lewis. I think that's what his name is, right? We got CJ Baxter back. That's good. Yeah, we got Julian Lewis and this guy. And we got CJ Baxter and Usman Chroma. These 2 guys are going to be beasts for our team. Fullback, you got Caden Luke. His last name is my name. Winston Watkins Jr., 91 overall. These 2 guys are going to be big for us this year. Same with Jacaden Ferguson and Xavier Daisy. If he plays, but anyway, let's get into it. Let's see what we can do here. Let's see. CJ Baxter! Oh my! Ah! He was almost gone on the first play of the game. So yeah. And he caught that somehow. Took me a little bit to realize that he caught it. That's crazy. Oh my goodness, bro. Baxter's gonna be a beast this year. Come on, bro. Just go out with it. Don't. I'm trying to play more smarter. It's gonna be a touchdown. Let's go.
Goes as he goes, so really no surprise in the opening drive. They keep
7-zip. Oh gosh. Where do we start the season? Oh, it's a fumble. Pick it up and go, big fella. And it's gonna be gone. Please don't review that. They ain't gonna review it. And that was Tavion Wallace. They retained him too. He was gonna leave at the end of the season, and we got it back in the portal. Almost picked right there. What? Our defense has definitely gotten better this offseason. I'm trying not to throw any picks this. Well, if I do try to throw less picks, and he might take it, but he's not going to. There's people there.
Lewis wants to pass.
A lob? No.
Flushed out of the pocket. Fires to the wideout.
Yeah.
Intercepted. Big play stops the drive.
No, I'm not mad at it.
Wrapped up after a solid
We learn from mistakes, and that's one thing we're gonna have to learn from. I kind of panicked there. I didn't know what to do.
10 from the 50.
And I also didn't want to get it. So it's alright.
They'll start this drive going to the air.
Give me. Oh my goodness. You could have picked that right back off.
Trying to deliver that football, and it'll be second down. Couldn't make the connection last time. Let's see if they throw it again. That's caught. It's Young. Hit and brought down right at the line.
Alrighty, 3rd and 10.
They'll try to
Come on, we gotta stop them here, bro.
3rd and long from the 50.
It's 3rd and 10. Gotta stop him.
From the gun, wants to pass. Fires to the tight end. They don't get nearly down.
Anyway, we gotta score.
Hand off for Baxter.
Yeah, he's gone.
Feed it to 35.
Yeah, he's gone. Say goodbye to Baxter.
106 yards to go. Give to
Why are you running on 3rd and 6?
in the backfield. He's going to lose 3 yards.
We freaking ran that to perfection.
Fire. They expected a big performance from him today, and he has delivered, just going over 100 yards already in this game. I expect them to continue to feed him the ball. I'll keep you posted from down here on the sidelines.
Oh,
Appreciate
that was nasty.
The Wildcats.
I know that sounded like a little bit delayed, but I was like, I was in the moment. I was like,
They'll have two
dang,
left
let's look at this
with
again.
4.5.
It's showing this up here. We gotta look at that. That was nasty, bro.
And they'll still
That's
have
a good
room in their
idea.
pocket for what's left in this first half. Escapes the pressure to his right.
And he still caught it. Let's go.
Wildcats.
Took me a little bit, but let's freaking go, bro. We're up 28 to zip. To end this first half. At least I hope so. Well,
We waited so long to start the season, and just the way
48-0.
getting that first victory.
Freaking 302 yards, 5 touchdowns, and 8 rushing attempts. How the heck? Bro, Baxter's gonna go for Heisman.
Great start for the winning team.
He is actually gonna win the Heisman. There's no way in heck he's not winning the Heisman this year. Want to be my friends? I don't got time for that right now. I'm doing a video. I'll look after the video. Who wants to be my friend? You know, that's kind of dark. Not like that. Like, I'm just curious. Probably my. What if it's one of my subscribers? Probably. Or it's. I'll say, or it's my cousin. My cousin's already my friend on here. Anyway, we're playing Toledo.
Looking for blockers.
We almost returned that. This is gonna be a hopefully pass
Throw
play.
it. Lewis. And
Fudge.
will get home, and
Oh crap.
goes down at the 17. The
Y'all didn't see that.
Wildcats with a long way to go after the loss on the last play. Trying to burn this defensive back.
Oh crap.
Oh, he dropped it, and what a missed opportunity early in this
Okay,
football
Luke,
game.
you gotta calm down.
And guys, this 3rd and long is not exactly how
Got.
they
What about
drew it
the
up.
smart
Hopefully
decisions?
It's not an indication of what we'll see the rest of the
Frick.
game. And the deflection by
That was
the
my
defense
fault.
brings him bigger later on.
No doubt, Reese, they can pump that and take a shot down the field and don't.
Why did I do that?
They're going to go back to the.
Wide open, he makes the catch. Touchdown, Rockets. He found some open space and
That was my fault.
Jets. They draw first blood, and that is exactly what you want to open the season with.
Okay, Luke, you gotta calm down.
Situations, really good job by the defense.
On the direct snap, it's Baxter. Bought a little time, lets it go.
Told you, boy.
And it's Lewis. Really built some momentum on, and now they've got it 1st and 10
Okay.
outside the 40. Looking down
Wide
the middle.
open.
Got his man downfield. Brings it.
Dude, that was an insane freaking catch.
Here's Lewis to throw. Here's the pressure. Touchdown, Wild.
Freaking go, bro.
He got it beat down inbounds.
We're on negative
That's a
14.
nice job by the offense there in the second drive.
Yeah, I could have got sacked for 24 yards.
From the gun, wants to pass.
Get him down, boys.
Got his man.
Frick.
They'll get him on the ground at the 46, and it'll be a first down.
Frick.
And the Rockets have their offense in high gear.
Gotta lock in.
Caught in the backfield.
Gosh.
And the defense, the ball, and
Just sees the video. What the heck? Why you say that? Bro, she'll probably get pissed at me. You know how girls are. They get mad at you for literally anything.
He ended up going backwards on the play, and they will not convert that third
You
down.
mistype, she thinks you're cheating.
Rockets will punt it away on fourth down.
Nah,
They'll
I'm
have
just
to punt for
joking.
the first time this
Not all the
afternoon.
time. But I didn't mistype on purpose, just so she can say that I actually did
Ball
mistype.
hits at the 5, and it'll go into
I
the
said
end
K
zone.
instead of OK, and she
They'll
said,
snap it from the 20 for
who's
the
that?
play of this drive.
He said she's pulling out names. I'm like, who the heck are these people? I don't even know who these people are.
And those body blows really, really matter. Like, I
She's
wanna be
probably
able to hand the ball off
freaking
to
get
my
mad
running
when you're
back
seeing this
10,
or
15
jealous.
times a
Not,
game.
why would she get
Just tackle
jealous?
them, wear 'em out. Sometimes these 3 to
That's-
4 yard runs,
she'd probably be
late in
embarrassed to
football
me.
games,
I was
they turn
trying to
into
look for the
5 to
word.
15 to 20-yard gains just because of the
That was amazing comeback route and catch. Don't jinx it, Luke.
Lewis to throw. Unloads to the wide
That
out.
was an amazing catch. Oh my gosh. I mean throw. But he got freaking boom, dude. Got him out.
Timeout taken by Kentucky. It's their first. They'll have 2 left to work with before the half. And the Wildcats trying to get
But
a
yeah, if
touchdown
y'all
on
have a
first and
girlfriend,
goal.
y'all know the struggle.
He'll set up to throw. Now improvising. Gets rid of it. Looking for the goal line. And they'll shove him out of bounds after the short gain. Running out of
They get
time.
mad at you for everything, they
They're gonna have
nitpick
to be
everything.
efficient to put some points on the board
I mean, not
before the break.
everything,
Gets
but
the back
like,
moving.
I don't
It's
know.
Lewis again. Touchdown Kentucky. And they add 6 more to the board with that trip to the house.
Man, that was beautiful clock.
But then
Great
after
job by this
she said,
offensive
I'm sorry, I just jumped to conclusions. This was actually happened yesterday.
Finishing the drive with a touchdown with not a lot of time on the clock.
I'm just not even. Oh my.
Just a little off.
Yeah, just a little. Just
Great
a
job
little.
by the defense, too.
Just throwing almost throwing a pick is just a little
Target
off.
on that play and forcing the
Threw it
incompletion.
right to me. Just didn't catch it.
Now on the counter. Very little running room, if any, and he just hasn't had anywhere to go in this one.
Yeah, because they usually use
The
it.
8th play of the drive,
Oh,
but a
don't know, I'm just
great
yapping, bro.
opportunity for the defense to get off the field.
Get him, bro.
Gonna do it himself. He gets
4th
it
and
to the
7, they're not in field goal
38-yard line.
range.
His defense, and now they'll have to
How
try
about
for a
you
little
shut up,
play.
commentator?
On 3rd and long,
Shut
now he
up,
can loosen
boy.
up that arm.
Whoa. Bro, I'm getting.
Back, caught up to and sacked at the 12.
I cannot say that on YouTube.
Guys, look at this.
I cannot say that.
Gamble and go for it
Why
here
did I
on
say
4th
that?
down. Lewis to throw for it on 4th. Fires to the wide out.
Frick!
Intercepted, and the
Yeah.
defense is...
Look,
And he
if we
is
throw 12 picks in 12 games, I'm gonna be really mad at myself.
with the pick.
That's how you lose games.
Let's take a look at our game stats.
Bro, we are sucking. Well, we got the ball right back. Let's go.
Jumps on it, they get
What I said, we're sucking. We just got the ball right back.
dive into the college football season, a week
Okay, we gotta win this.
every minute of it so far.
I forgot this is an RPO. Get off him!
A little bit of running room, not smart move to keep it on the ground.
And now he's gonna get a touchdown.
Got a lot of room to the right. And he
Took us a little bit to
the defense.
do anything, but we got it.
Touchdown, Kentucky! And the extra point is a run for 6.
I mean, Indiana didn't do good against Old Dominion.
Really disciplined job by the coverage unit to get down
What does
there
Old
and
Dominion
stop
have to do
the
anything with
19.
Toledo?
Guys, let's see what Toledo
What does
can
Indiana
get
have to do
done
anything with this
time.
dynasty?
Fires on the move.
What the? Oh my goodness, get him down.
Through a man, and he might have space. And he was loose.
How did he
and
get
not
that?
stopped until he
How?
47-yard line.
The only way they were getting back in this game is if they did that. Great job.
They might actually get back in this game. It's not good.
They need multiple scores. Got it.
Caught, and he's got room.
They're not getting back in this game, though. I know that for a fact. There's freaking bulldozing to the ground.
Pressure is on the way, and the pressure has arrived, and down he goes.
They're going for it. Honestly, let's get another touchdown after this if we stop them. Either way, I'm trying to get a touchdown.
Under fire.
And it's a pick.
Intercepted.
Let's freaking go, dude. And it might be a pick six. It is going to be a pick six.
And with the interception,
This freaking stadium is shaking. And what the heck is he doing? He's running.
And what a fantastic job by the
What is he doing? He's running in place like a cartoon character.
defense is going to go for it. They're going to have to throw. Everybody on defense has their eyes on the QB.
Bro, let's... No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. Let's play smart.
And that is
It's not.
third and long, hoping
Get him down. Let's freaking go.
And here comes the pressure, and there he goes down again.
If we get another pick right here, I'm gonna be so happy.
He'll try to throw and pick up the
And we stopped them at 10.
down. He tried to go get it himself, but you saw the speed.
Watkins Jr. We're getting this here.
They win it for their
Come on.
Just great job taking
Bro,
away
50.
the
Why'd you do that?
wanted to throw the football.
Why'd you false start?
Then it breaks down a little bit, and now you got to chase. You got to play that second play.
You're an absolute chud. You heard me? A chud.
Big moment.
down at the 17-yard line on the return.
We scored 21 points in the fourth quarter.
Every week, and for the first week,
Dang.
they get it done.
And great start to the season. That's what you want.
But we did win. But what was it? 28 points. We're ranked 4 now? Dang, we played LSU. And it's at home again. Let's do blue-white game. And yeah. Why am I doing that? So cringe. So cringe.
Glad to have you with us from
So you can build BTA on him,
Lexington, Kentucky.
Is it gonna happen? Probably not.
LSU ready to kick
So let's
it
not get
away
our
and
hopes
get
up
things
of
started.
BTAing LSU. It was just start BTAing them. That'd be so
It'll come
funny.
out to the 20. What they do with this one. On first down, it's Baxter again. There's a little room there.
Whoa! Oh my goodness! And he's gonna be gone! Oh my!
He got loose and it was
That was nasty! That was absolutely nasty!
Fast, and they want to establish the run game. That is exactly what you did. First drive, you hand the football off.
Oh my goodness!
Explosive run, setting the tone for this football game.
And the extra point. Off the play fake on first down, wants to throw. Unloads to
And a pick on the first play of their drive!
intercepted.
And it's gonna be a pick six! And it's by the same guy that got Tavian Wallace. 2 picks. He has 3 touchdowns in 3 games.
And this is the
Off of
making
fumbles
together
and interceptions. Are you kidding me? Tavian Wallace is absolutely dog. He's a dog.
They have their
Bit of an understatement, and they really need to get it going here. There he goes.
Oh my.
He moves the
Oh my.
chains, and they'll mark the ball at the 33.
Caden Durham.
the short passing
We do,
game,
but
moving
they'll
the
just be
sticks. Nice job of looking up
unrealistic.
there,
Or just be
right
how
off the
good we
field,
are.
Ready to capitalize on this momentum.
Because usually, like, you have to have like a 99 overall just to be.
He tosses one high and deep down the left side.
He caught
Grab
that.
for a big gain.
Come on, boys.
Off play action.
Come down. It's a fumble. And we got right back on it.
Loose ball. It'll be a turnover.
And these plays right here, man.
Bro, let's try our Wildcat.
Your team and the defense has been flying around, but now
Oh my goodness. I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now.
quarterback and cause the damage. The ball gets on the turf, they recover, and now set up with great field position.
Pulls
And he
in
caught
is
it, too.
Lewis.
Freaking go.
Now they're in business at the
And those
47.
Watkins, too.
And they'll wrestle him to the ground after a short gain.
Come on, bro. Snap the dang ball.
From the gun, Lewis. Still moving to his right, trying to make a big play. He took a
I have no clue to pass it to right there. I know I'm stupid, but I'm going for it. I don't care. I'm stupid. We're up 14 now. I mean, might as well.
Fourth down, Lewis. Steps away to find some room. Takes a
Yeah.
shot as he throws and it's incomplete.
Come on, bro. Got luck in action.
Tight end in motion, see how the D reacts. Handoff, Durham running left. On third down, here's Durham.
Bro, what the heck? It's 4th and 8. It's 4th and 8. We're up 14-0 on LSU. We have a chance to go up 21-0. What the heck?
Running inside. It's Baxter. Makes it past the marker. Might have a chance. Big pickup on the play before he's
Baxter.
stopped, and that carries us into
Are you taking drugs? Like, what do you want? Okay, we avoided the interception all game. Let's not throw it into any coverage.
on third down, Lewis.
Ooh.
Picked off. What a play to
Yeah, I'm throwing a pick in every game this season.
down after a good return on the interception.
Bro, what happened? Why can't we do anything now? Is our passing game really that bad?
They'll come out on this
Just
drive
joking.
and
It's not that
let it
bad. I'm just suck. It's like when our running game is going, it's when the offense is flowing.
Chuck it out. Back to pass.
He threw another pick.
First half turnover can swing momentum.
2 picks in the first half.
Lewis.
No, I'm not lobbing it. Maybe I will.
Spins that thing down the middle.
And he caught it too!
2 more points here before the half.
Looking to scramble. Fires left.
He was wide open.
They get him out of bounds right at the end of the drive, and it's first and goal.
We're really going to be up 21-0 at halftime, ain't we?
Play action with Lewis. Looking to get it in. Touchdown, Wildcats.
Oh man, what a time we're at right now. What a time we're at right now. 21-0 against LSU.
And the extra point is true, and the lead balloons to
Bro,
21.
Toledo put up a better fight
That
than these
touchdown gives
dudes.
his team a pretty
And that was a horrible
significant
kick.
lead at this point.
And that's what you want. You want to start fast. You want everything to come out and start clicking.
Don't you
Make some
dare.
plays. It doesn't always work that way, but when you
Bro,
do,
FCS team got blown
everybody's
out.
into it. Now the other team better respond.
66-7 against
To the air, it's Levin.
not LSU, Akron.
He's got him.
Bro,
They'll
what
get
the
him at
heck?
45, but he in this first half. Looking to throw on first down. Firing to the right, complete. He's stopped and forced out of... On third and long, he's going to have to throw for it.
And almost another pick.
From this distance.
Bro, my guy just fell down. He was like, my knees don't work anymore. I'm gonna fall down for you.
And you want a touchdown and you want to be aggressive, but man, right down the middle, that obviously gives me some confidence down the road that I can trust this guy.
Didn't find any crease in that kickoff.
Studios for the Week 3 edition of the EA Sports College Football Update Show. Let's start with a look at Oregon State taking on the number 7.
Oregon State put belt to Oregon. Oh my.
And it's
Plays through the air.
Back to throw, it's Levin. Oh, they're after him.
4th and 16.
On this defense.
Oh my goodness. And this is the same
Team on the field.
ranking as ours?
This will be the second time they've had to kick it away.
I mean, rating as ours, or same overall and everything? Team is buns, dude. Get the ball. Get the ball.
He'll try to make the
Ball.
catch and trap.
Get the ball. I was like, get the ball. Don't you dare.
Running down the field
Don't you dare.
to him before he can even get started. Kentucky has it back,
Oh
and
my
the big
Lord,
blue
dude.
offense takes the field. He'll pitch it.
That was an amazing play. And he's going to be gone. He's going to be gone.
He's at the
Freaking Baxter.
20.
C.J. Baxter. It's him. We are blowing out LSU right now.
This offense looked unstoppable.
28-3. We're winning a natty this year. We're winning a natty. I don't care. We're winning a natty this year.
There's no end in sight for these guys.
We are winning the natty. We won 42-3. Well, I got one thing to say. I did not expect that to happen. I did not expect that to happen at all. But, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Next game about Mississippi State. And, yeah, I think we're going to blow them out too. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Peace out. And have a fantastic